Hey guys, we're back again with another tutorial video, but this time for South Korean tourist visa application form naman. Make sure guys na manood kayo until the end of this video dahil hindi lang yung visa form yung ituturo natin step by step, pati na rin yung data privacy consent form i-discuss natin mamaya. Let's go! Okay, so for our first step guys, we first have to download yung link na nasa description box. Yung link na nandyan, ayan yung visa application form na mismo, pati yung data privacy consent form. So, pag na-download nyo na, kailangan nyo siyang i-open naman sa any PDF editing tool. Personally, yung ginamit ko ay yung PDF Gear, kasi libre lang siyang app. So, download nyo lang yun sa internet. Tapos, i-open with PDF Gear or any PDF editing tool yung application form saka consent form. So, once na-open nyo na, dapat check nyo muna kasi dapat total of 6 pages yung meron tayo. Once na-check nyo na okay, complete naman siya, so dapat yung first 5 ay yung sa visa form, tapos yung 6th, yung last page, yun yung data privacy consent form. So, first for page 1. By the way, it's important pala guys na tandaan nyo na yung visa form, hindi pwedeng sulat kamay natin siyang fill outan. Kasi very specific si KVAC, si Korean Embassy, na dapat electronically filled itong application form. Specifically pala, yung kailangan na font size saka font type na gagamitin kapag nag-fill out tayo ng application form ay Arial, yun yung font. Tapos, yung font size dapat ay 12. So, now, dito sa PDF editing tool, hanapin nyo lang, depende kasi, diba, iba-iba naman yung interface ng mga tools or ng mga editing apps. Pero, maglagay kayo, add text na lang, tapos i-edit nyo yung text to Arial, tapos 12. Now, starting with the first page, dito sa part 1 ay personal details. Yung sa personal details, kailangan match to with the details shown in your valid passport. For 1.1, family name, which is your last name, tapos given names, yung first name nyo. For 1.2, leave as blank nyo na lang kasi for Chinese citizens yan. 1.3 ay sex, so check nyo if male or female. 1.4, birth date, so year muna, tapos month, tapos day. Next ay nationality, Filipino, lagay nyo dyan. 1.6, country of birth, Philippines. Tapos for 1.7, national identity number. Yung nilagay ko dito ay yung Philippine passport number ko mismo. For 1.8, has the applicant ever used any other names to enter or depart Korea? Lagay nyo na lang no, if hindi naman. Tapos if yes, check nyo yung yes. Tapos, please provide na lang yung mga details na kailangan. Now, yung dito sa check, kasi yung dito sa PDF Gear, yung pinag-editan ko, automatic na pag kinlik mo yung check doon sa taas, magkakaroon ng check mark. Pero, hindi ko sure sa ibang app. So, if ever nawala, i-copy-paste nyo na lang sa internet. Moving on sa 1.9, is the applicant a citizen of more than one country? If dual citizen ka, lagyan mo ng check yung yes. If hindi naman, no. Part 2 ay details of visa application. Now, itong tutorial natin ay for tourist visa, diba? So, normally, short-term stay lang yan. So, check natin yung short-term stay, less than 90 days. 2.2, status of stay. Ang nilagay ko dyan ay tourism or leisure. Tapos, yung pag sa babang part, yan, below the details of visa application, leave as blank nyo lang yan kasi nakalagay for official use only. Next na tayo sa page number 2. Part 3 ay passport information. For passport type, check nyo lang yung regular unless iba yung passport type na meron kayo. 3.2, supply nyo lang lahat ng details. Makikita nyo to lahat sa passport nyo. So, passport number, country of passport, place of issue, date of issue, pati date of expiry. 3.7, if you have any other passports, check nyo lang yung yes, tapos provide yung details. Same lang kanina. So, passport type, passport number, country of passport, pati date of expiry. For part 4, contact information. Sa 4.1, lagay nyo yung home address mo. So, dito, home country address of the applicant. For 4.2, if i-fill out nyo lang tong part na to, if magkaiba sila, magkaiba yung current address mo sa home address mo. But if not, hindi naman na kailangan lagyan to ng sulat. For 4.3, cellphone number, lagay nyo dyan. If may telephone number, lagay nyo rin dyan. 4.4, you have to input your active email address. For 4.5, emergency contact information. So, full name ng emergency contact, country, kung tagasan siya, telephone number, tapos relationship niya sa inyo. Next part ay marital status and family details. If you are single, check nyo lang yung single. If you are married or if you're divorced, check nyo lang accordingly. 5.2, if you are married, so lagay mo rin yung, isupply mo dyan yung information about your spouse. And then, yun yung sa A to F ha, A, B, C, D, E, F. So, dapat information ng spouse mo. Then, 5.3, does the applicant have children? If yes, kailangan mong ilagay dito kung ilan. Moving on sa education, for 6.1, highest degree or level of education that you have completed. So, check nyo dyan. If high school, bachelor's, master's, or others. 6.2, lagay nyo yung name of school na nag-graduate kayo. Tapos, location of that school. Now, for page number 3, una ay employment. So, for current personal circumstances, if you are working, check nyo yung employed. If you have a business, you should either check yung self-employed or entrepreneur. If you are a student, lagay nyo rin dyan. Check nyo yon. For 7.2, employment details. So, sa A, yung name ng employer nyo, yung company, or if you're still studying sa school, kung ano yung name ng school nyo. Letter B, position or course. If you are working, lagay nyo yung position nyo dyan. If you are still studying, yung course na tinitake nyo. If high school kayo, yung strand na tinitake nyo, yun yung ilagay nyo dyan. Letter C, address of their company or your school, tapos telephone number sa letter D. Now, for part 8, details of visit. For 8.1, purpose of visit, check nyo yung tourism or transit sa unahan. And then, for 8.2, intended period of stay. Ito, kanina diba, nag-click tayo doon between short-term stay and long-term stay. Dahil as tourists, short-term stay usually yung ginagawa natin if we are going on a vacation. So, dito sa intended period of stay, dapat hindi lalagpas na 90 days yung ilalagay nyo dyan. And then, for 8.3, intended date of entry. For intended date of entry, kasi ang binibigay ng KVAC na single entry, ang validity ay 3 months. For example, December 1 ngayon, na-issuean ka. So, until March 1, pwede kang pumasok ng Korea. So, for the intended date of entry, huwag kayong maglalagay ng lagpas 3 months from today or from the date of your application. Now, for 8.4, address in Korea, pwedeng magkuha kayo ng address ng hotel na balak nyong pagstayan or ng nabook nyo. Pero, it doesn't necessarily mean na dapat dun kayo magsistay. So, just for purposes of filling out the application form, kaya tayo maglalagay ng address dyan. For 8.5, yung contact number ng hotel, makikita nyo naman yun sa website. And then for 8.6, has the applicant traveled to Korea in the last 5 years? If yes, check nyo yung yes. Tapos, i-fill out nyo yung table dito sa baba. So, purpose of visit, lagay nyo tourism or leisure, and then period of stay, kung kailan kayo nagstay. Ako, sa case ko, nung nag-fill out ako ng application form, kahit na nag-travel ako sa Korea more than 5 years ago, nilagay ko pa din. So, kasi 2016 yun yung unang kong punta sa Korea. So, kahit na 8 years ago na siya, nilagay ko pa rin dito para at least makita nila na nakapag-travel na ako sa Korea. At makonsider nila yon sa pagbibigay ng Korean visa. For 8.7, has the applicant traveled outside the Philippines excluding Korea? If yes, check nyo yung yes. If no naman, check nyo yung no. So, if nakapunta kayo, nakabisita kayo abroad, then you have to put the name of the country here, tapos purpose of visit, tapos period, kung kailan kayo nag-stay doon. 8.8, does the applicant have any family members staying in Korea? So this means any family members nandoon nakatira sa Korea, either working or married sa Korean citizen. If meron kayo, check nyo yung yes, tapos please provide na lang yung details dito sa baba. 8.9, is the applicant traveling to Korea with any family members? If you are traveling with your family, with your parents, with your siblings, check nyo yung yes. Tapos, lagay nyo dito yung details nila. So, full name, birth date, nationality, tapos relationship to you. For part 9, details of invitation. Ngayon, if you are not invited by anyone from Korea, check nyo na lang yung no, tapos leave as blank nyo na lang yung A, B, C, D, E. But if yes, kailangan nyo isupply yung mga details na yan. Part 10 ay funding details. So, estimated travel cost muna. You have to express this one in US dollar. So, kahit ano, magkano, estimate nyo lang. Tapos, i-convert nyo into USD. For 10.2, who will pay for the travel expenses? If you are paying for yourself, if you are funding yourself and your travel, lagay nyo na lang dito sa letter A, myself or your full name. Yan. Tapos, B, relationship to the applicant, myself. Type of support, financial, tapos contact number mo. But if it's somebody else, lagay nyo yung person na yon or yung company, if sponsoran kayo ng company, tapos yung other details also. 11, assistance with this form. I think ito na yung last, no? For page 4. So, if you received assistance, check nyo yung yes. If hindi naman, check nyo yung no. Next ay page 5. Ito na yung last page ng visa form. Tapos, next kasi dito ay yung data consent form na. So, dito sa page 5, wala kayong need na ilagay dito na electronically filled. Pwede nyo i-print nyo na yung pages 1 to 6 kasi okay na lagyan naman na natin, na-edit na natin yung mga kailangan na electronically submitted. So, pag na-print nyo na siya sa A4, punta kayo ulit dito sa page 5, sa declaration. So, lagay nyo, date of application, sulat kamay nyo. Tapos, applicant name, your full name, and then signature. Okay na yun. So, for page 6 naman, ito na yung data privacy consent form. Print nyo rin siya sa A4. Isusulat kamay nyo na lang yung name nyo dito, date, and date. Pati signature pala, guys. So, name tapos signature above your name. And that ends our tutorial video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you can click the subscribe button. Tapos, guys, if nagpe-prepare pa rin kayo ng Korean visa application documents nyo, you might find this video helpful dahil inisa-isa talaga natin yung proseso. Tapos, nagbigay rin tayo ng mga extra tips and details na pwede nyong magamit kapag nandun na kayo sa Korean Visa Application Center. See you in that video, guys. Bye!